Today I just thought that I would vlog because I'm trying to get in the hang of like daily vlogging or just vlogging in general, so that when I do Vlogmas really soon that it's not like just chucking me in the deep end and I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to get the hang of vlogging now. I'm really sunburnt. Before we talk about anything else, I just want to say how sunburned I am right now. Look at my lips. Usually my lips are like this color. Well, maybe not that color. But now they're like this color. How cute are these chopsticks, by the way? But my lips are in a serious deal of pain right now because they're so burnt. Yesterday I went to the beach and I thought that if I put just normal lip balm on that my lips wouldn't get sunburnt. But my sister told me that that's pretty much just like putting coconut oil on your lips. So now they're really burnt. And everything else on me is really burnt as well because I just don't know how to beach, obviously. But today I'm going to the beach again, which could be really silly of me, but I just really want to go swimming. I haven't really gone swimming properly yet, and the weather's really good. So I'm just going to wear a one piece and like lather myself in 50 plus so that it doesn't hurt. I'm just gonna wear this one piece. But now I'm just gonna make some breakfast. I thought that if I vlogged myself making breakfast, maybe I would eat something healthy. So I could have this. I've really been putting off trying this because I actually don't like yogurt that much. But I thought this looked really cool. It's mango passion fruit yogurt with cookie crunch and white chocolate. That just sounds delicious to me. So hopefully it's good. I don't know, I'm really nervous. Okay, taste test time. Taste test time. Oh, I'm really nervous. This probably sounds like the stupidest thing ever. It's actually not that bad. It's super mango-y. I don't actually like mangoes, so yeah, it's not too bad. It's probably the best one that I've had of these Chobani flips. Let's see how we go. What are you doing in there? How did you get in there? These are the bathers I'm wearing today. Huh? I'm talking to my vlog. I got these from Zaful for like $11. They make my sunburn stick out. These come in like a million different colors too. So, hey bro. Yeah, so if you like nice one pieces, these were literally like $12 and they have tons of different colors on Zaful. Off we go. This is gonna be my best friend today. 50 plus. We're here. Woo woo. Ew, why did I do that?
Dang.
Great. Hey. Kiss. I'm gonna go swim over there and climb on that rock later on. It is a plan.
Dip first thing. Yeah, you need to dip first. Have a quick dip. Put sand all over my camera.
Oh, that feels lovely.
Nice and full.
I'm literally gonna use the whole bottle.
Yeah, Emily's about to polish off the last bit of that bottle.
Can you rub this into my back very gently? What are you using? Oh, those are your fingers, sorry. I thought you were using a towel.
Well, I guess my fingers have sand on them. I feel like you need more.
Okay. Oh, I forgot I was recording.
I'm like a frog behind you.
Oh, it's not even cold, yay! This looks so peaceful, no one's even out here hardly. Thumbnail. Look at these cool shells I found.
Be fine,
I wish this one was full, but... And then I found this one. I want to make this one into a necklace because it has a hole in it.
You can take shells on the beach.
Who's going to stop me?
Me.
Because this is where I will be for the rest of the day.
just sitting in my little sandbank. Oh, there's all these little fish in here and I feel like they keep biting me. And I'm not happy about it, but what can you do, hey? I'm pretty keen for some ice cream after this. Are you taking a photo of me? Hate you. Oh man, it's so hot in here.
Oh man.
Ooh, and we're off to get some ice cream. So I got Aussie vanilla with M&Ms and sour worms in my cold rock. It is so good. And Emily got, oh my god, you didn't just get a small one, you got a large. Emily got cookie dough. I'm still emotionally. No, she got cookies and cream ice cream with cookie dough and Mars bar. Go big or go home. Oh, hurry up! I'm an idiot.
It got ruined in the rain.
Aw, what a shame. Cute. How's your day?
Good, thanks.
This is my dinner tonight. I just made it, but you should have seen how big this roll was. Like, I had to put half of this in the fridge for lunch tomorrow before work because there was no way I could finish that. Look how big they are. So I have half of it in the fridge for tomorrow. Yum. So it's egg, cucumber, lettuce, and avocado. Yum. I just realized that you can play YouTube videos from your phone onto the TV. So I'm just watching Brittany Lee Saunders on TV. And it's like a 21-minute vlog too, so I feel like this is like living. I'm living. We are going for a stroll down to the park. It's literally right just down there. Brody, you're not supposed to be out here, buddy. The sunset looks really cool, but it looked cooler like 5 seconds ago. See, looking better. Oh, I love the sunset. Sunsets are my like favorite part of the day. And there is my designated swing. Yeah? Wow, skills. It's Charlotte's birthday tomorrow. You're a teenager tomorrow. This is your last night of being 12 years old. How does it feel?
I feel free. I feel free like a wolf howling to the moon.
Oh, I thought you were just about to howl. I was about to punch you in the face.
That's the cat.
Oh. This camera actually picks up the moon really well. So I was actually going to end the vlog tonight because I wanted it to be a daily vlog. But I'm thinking of just vlogging tomorrow morning because it's Charlotte's birthday. So I kind of want to vlog giving Charlotte her birthday present and going out for coffee in the morning.
Feel like waking up at 9? Angel's gonna call me at 9.
Is she?
But she knows how to control it. Ready? Sit!
Brody. Oh. How cute are my slippers? I'm obsessed with these slippers. They cost me like $7.
I'm so smart. I'm so
All
smart.
around me are familiar faces. It's your camera.
We're doing prezzies.
Different colour though.
Thank you, Mum. Thank you so much.
That's okay. Oh, far out.
My present turn.
Put the new strap on.
There you go.
Aw, you.
Open up.
Oh, why'd you?
Oh,
Both out at the same time.
this is so pretty.
Do you know what it is?
No, but it's pretty.
It's one of those necklaces that like.
Oh, thank you. That's
That's so pretty.
Oh, very Charlie.
Very nice.
Give us a gaze.
Okay, so these, they cover your boobs.
Oh, good.
Thank you so much. That's okay.
Oh.
Yes.
Thinking of getting some Frank Bot, are you, Charlotte?
Yeah.
Look at that outfit.
Smells really
You don't
bad.
like the smell? Maybe you shouldn't get it then. Hey, fat, ugly piece of junk.
I just sprayed myself with some rose
No
water.
one get this one. It stinks.
Should I kill Clover?
Look at all these minis. That is so cute, actually, though. Mini Glambo. Mini setting spray. How good's that? It's $31 though.
Why are you smiling?
Okay, we're at the beach cafe now. Can you shut up, George?
Oh my god, that is so rude. Charlotte.
Let me hear you say.
Got some more chips. And you don't scrapbook anymore?
I know. Yeah. What are you actually doing?
How are you going to remember your life when you die?
That was
I'm hot on my shoulder.
got my juice.
No, babe.
Do what?
Without spilling it all.
Maddie got a mango juice. Is it bad?
Tastes good.
Hey guys, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because it was supposed to just be a daily vlog and I just brought it into today for some reason. The pool looks nice. But yeah, I have work pretty soon and then we're going out for dinner for Charlotte's birthday. But it's gonna be super rushed because I literally have to go there from work. So I think I'm just gonna end it here. Today was a little bit jumpy just because I just wanted to get short clips, so it was kind of still like a daily vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon with a new video. See you guys, hope you have a good day.